Hello everybody, we're at the beach. Stick around, let's see some cool stuff. Hello everybody and welcome back to HamShackTV. I'm your host Josh, AA4WX. Doing it live, well semi-live, at least as far as you know it's live. Here in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. There you can see the Atlantic Ocean out beside us here. Just on a little quick beach trip with our oldest daughter before she starts school here. So thought I'd bring you along. This is day one here so far today. Did a quick drone flight. I think we're going to grab some dinner, but I don't think I'm going to take y'all along on that, but nonetheless, we're here. So we'll start rolling the drone video here, and we'll see you in the next one. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed that drone video. Very, very pretty. I've got to continue to say the DJI Mini 3 continues to surprise me. There's a pretty steady breeze blowing. You can see in the tree behind me, and it's much more prominent out on the water, but the drone handles it just fine. A little bit of drift, but nothing unmanageable. Very, very easy. So, guys, the link for that drone is in the description if you want your own. I think you'll like it as well. Great investment. Great entry-level drone, too. So, go check that out. Guys, can't thank you enough. Appreciate your support right here on HamShackTV. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button and use the links down in the description down below. All those things certainly help the channel continue to grow. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one. 73's AA4WX, WSEB 693.